Memara Murikito Steven Nyarigi kurwase county ya Nyamira tugusuka bosyo mwancho murigari abone nchira yamo yoko kubagwato kerobo semi Abaorokigwa bari bagosomera obutari no bokorria semi bagani bono nigo ekiombe ya sustainable travel tourism agenda yekubwatira n'ababwatani bande hamwe University ya Kisii kia rurobo semi gochi Abaorokigwa University eyo hamwe area ya Rongo bune nchira yamo yokubakonya kwegendereria na gukora emiroberio yabo wetera somuroberio Young Change Makers in the University seminar yo mwaka oyiga Murikito Cliforenge nwarenga asomo igoyo robotiro ya senchiro bwikira
Abaorokigwa bali bagosomera course hospitality and hotel management at University ya Kisii hamwe area ya Rongo nigo bali nekibako gokera magigayo kwego bosemia ne kiombe ya sustainable travel tourism agenda STTA ama nababwatani bande guru yechinchira chiabene baranyare kwegenderera asemirimo anakigima asensemo yobotali nyenekero barasoe asegeti amegeri ayo nigo akurwegwa gochia Abaorokigwa University au abo aseli tukolia rero panyako baba twale seminde yo ase University ya Kisii.
Today we are here at Kisii University for one of our programs that is on youth mentorship. We are passionate about raising the next generation of tourism leaders who will rethink how tourism has been done traditionally. We know that traditional tourism in its form has not been beneficial to people in the places, it has not been beneficial to communities, it has not been beneficial to the environment.
Kagopwana na Nsoko TV maiga yoko kole semina yeri tukerimo niko Dr. Judith Gona uyo ole omo bisomo nene ase kiombe kyogia STTA asingerera una nigo egangene nereo ase bali bakorwa obokoreri ase mebogani au imensi ya Kenya kwena kabuna kobwatira bale Abaorokigwa abo nako bali bagaligia elinde bagendererie kobwatakana nogotsuka kwa bwango gwense.
And we are hoping through this program that as we send out as many tourism leaders, like I say, equipped, enabled and empowered with the right skills to ask the right questions, to write the right policies, to be in the right places, to develop the right products, to talk about the right experiences, with the right mindset, one that has been transformed, right? Transforming from us thinking that we are recipients, right? And changing our minds to say we are the owners of the resource. We are the owners of the resource. We can design it the way we want, we can share it the way we want, and we can give it power and the value that it needs. We hold this kind of seminars. We do at least 10 of them in a year. Essentially, that will be at least one in a month, but sometimes we do 2 in a month. But on the minimum, we do 10 seminars in a year.
Abaorokigwa bono nigo batebigwe na kwegwesege tubuna emambe yabo nigo erigeretyo bongaini bwabo asekera kile bagokora.
What are we actually telling students? We are telling students that the future and where the opportunities lie for them in the future must be linked to sustainable development. Anything we do today that is not anchored on sustainable development will fall by the way.
Aboga Dr. Mungaro Mare uyoro morokia ase University ya Kisii nigata babuna obosemi obwo nigo bole obuja kigima gotia Abaorokigwa abo ekegera sama tukaribosyo nigo barache kokonyeka asekerengo keigoro.
It prepares them to start appreciating how to be involved in conservation of the tourism product, and it also helps the students to start appreciating that there's a lot that they can do in the field of tourism and hospitality.
Nigo akambia mono gotia ase kiombe kia STM na wabwatani au asemirimi yabagendere okora nabego biko kubolia kuna amachika maya ayualengete sector yobotali nigabwana tekoroisigwa elio asire sector yo anakigema Abaorokigwa
is coming with a change, the risks that are there. We have also discussed and shared about the government involvement in terms of regulation and innovation, so that as the change takes effect, it can still be a safe landing for tourists.
Bono nigo yatigera Abaorokigwa abo kobwatia obosemi obubairwe asenchera ya bene libachiko konyeka asama tukaribosyo. Ngulipoteri Nsoko TV kurwase University ya Kisii elitariane Wycliffe Orenge.